Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about BoldTrail CRM and whether it's the best real estate software for agents and teams in 2025. So, BoldTrail CRM is a real estate specific CRM platform built to streamline leads, automate follow-ups, and manage clients across the home buying journey. So let's break down the key features of BoldTrail. First is the interface. Its interface is modern and mobile friendly. Agents can track leads, properties, and appointments from a clean dashboard. It also has built-in automation. You can set drip campaigns, auto-responses, and lead scoring, which is great for staying in touch without manual work. One standout is its MLS integration, allowing users to pull property data directly into the CRM, which saves hours each week. It also supports team collaboration, allowing brokers to assign tasks, monitor performance, and view reports across their entire team. On the downside, some agents report a learning curve with the automations, and that support can take up to 24 plus hours to respond. And the pricing is competitive, starting with a monthly tiers and offering discounts for annual plans. So, is it the best? If you are in real estate and you want a CRM that balances power and ease of use, BoldTrail is basically one of the best options in 2025, especially for growing teams. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.